time travel, both forward and backward, exists. It happens all the time, and I can prove it in the next 2 minutes. And I am not talking about some fake or anecdotal proof, but real proof. All I ask is that if you agree and this makes sense, share this video. Time set? Let's go. First, we already know that time dilation exists and can be due to gravitational field or velocity difference. Basically, it works like this. If I take off in a spaceship from Earth and accelerate to 99.9% the speed of light, I travel for 10 years, then return. I will have aged only a few days. Everyone on Earth will have aged 10 years. The faster you travel, the more time slows down, until you go faster than the speed of light when you will actually travel backward in time. Search Google for time dilation if you want to read more. Wikipedia has a good article about it. Second, light is an actual substance with a mass and weight. It has a very minuscule weight and mass, but it does have some. This might be a shock to some of you, but if you don't believe me, search Google for how much does light weigh. You will get some interesting answers, but if you dig down, you will find the true answer as infinitesimally small, but existent. Third, we know of the existence of black holes, which are massive stars that have collapsed and have a gravity so dense that not even light can escape if it gets too close. But scientists are still not in agreement about where the particles of light go. We know that light is essentially energy, and that energy cannot be created or destroyed. So basically, we are left with the question of, what happens when photons of light pass the event horizon of a black hole and begin traveling faster than they normally would? Faster than the speed of light. And I think you can probably guess where this is going. Those photons then begin traveling backward in time, relative to us. So how long do they travel backward? Well, as long as there is something that keeps forcing them to travel faster than the speed of light. Since it is the black hole's gravity that is doing this, they would travel backward until just prior to the black hole existing. So when do they exit? Right before the black hole came into existence. This also makes perfect sense, because what creates a black hole? A star that explodes or goes supernova and then collapses back onto itself. Right before the star supernovas, there is a huge burst of light and electromagnetic radiation, or all the things that have or will be sucked into the black hole during the period it exists. Scientists are still debating where all this extra stuff comes from, but the answer seems pretty obvious.